For centuries, a mystical elixir flowed from these ancient Appalachian mountains, an enchanted brew guided by the spirits of those who walked before us. But now, darkness has tainted the shine's mystical essence. Consumed by greed and wrath, the ancient spirits turned wicked, poisoning the sacred nectar that once connected us to our ancestors. Now gripped by chaos and corruption, all seems lost, yet the light still flickers. Now begins an epic race against time through the misty mountain roads. The bravest drivers take up the dangerous quest to outrun the cursed booze and free the captive spirits haunting the elixir. Strap in for the supernatural ride of their lives as man and machine are pushed to the edge. Can their faith guide them on this moonlit journey to reignite the ancient magic before all is lost? With ruthless revenuers and possessed bootleggers blocking the trail, the road to salvation will be treacherous. New alliances will be forged, old bonds broken, and the legendary craft of mountain shine will be tested like never before. Only those who trust in the whiskey wisdom of generations past can revive the bewitched brew in time for the mystical midnight hour, when the spirits again dance and darkness recoils from light. This is more than just a race. It's a chase for their very souls. To restore what's been lost since the darkness tainted these hallowed hills. Are you ready to honor the ghosts of moonshine past? Then let the supernatural chase begin. Midnight Runners. She would stop at nothing to recover what had been lost and bring the culprits to light.
Sometimes justice has a different flavor.
Justice ain't your personal dish to season, pal. Your bitter version? I'll never swallow. You best believe that.